I've got only one shot to open the cover of this annual report, so let's make the most of it. Hey, it's Trish, and this is Fold of the Week, a show where I share powerful print marketing ideas to help you achieve success on any budget. Now, there's not often a whole lot of surprise or intrigue in the opening of a stitched booklet. With that said, a stitched booklet format is a great way to deliver content. So designers and their printers sometimes look for highly creative ways to make the opening experience more exciting, often by adding extra panels to the cover or an interesting die cut. But this design is banking on the power of human curiosity, so let's take a closer look. When you first grasp onto this piece, you start by instinctively looking for the opening edge, and you quickly realize that there isn't one. There's a thickness to it, it's stitched, and it's obvious that there are pages inside, but the traditional way of opening is not an option. On the cover, there's a pull tab that extends past the top edge of the piece, and that tab labeled Open is the start of a zip strip or paper zipper, and it's your only way in. Well, I've got one chance, so let's give it a pull and see what's inside. I love the angle and how the back side of the zip strip carries a message. It says open mind, open thought, open speech, open doors. And the opening spread carries a bold message about having an open mind. The crossovers are great. Remember how the pull tab said open and the cover said mind, and you open the zip strip across the word, which is clever. They've definitely got a strong concept going here. Yeah, this is really nice. The text pages are well designed. This piece is an annual report for the University of British Columbia. So well done. And that bold message returns as the final thought on the inside back cover spread. So how did they create a stitched booklet with a sealed cover? Well, they designed a 6-page or 3-panel cover that was die cut into shape with the tab and the perforation for the zip strip. Then they saddle stitched the text pages with the cover, and instead of folding that extra cover panel inward like a normal 6-page cover would, they wrapped it around and glued it to the back. Now there's an 1/8 inch channel score right here to make the profile flat, the edge nice and square, and to ensure that the back panel glues flush to the edge. So proof that exceptional print marketing is all about the details. These were printed 4-color process on a UV press with an overall satin varnish, 100-pound cover, 80 text weight paper. They did about 7,600 of these. So what a smart way to make a brochure something truly exciting to open. A very special thanks to Metropolitan Fine Printers and Demo Graphic Design for sharing this solution with us. If you've ever been inspired by something you've seen on the show, please consider folding it forward and sharing your work too. If you're looking for more ideas, downloads, and templates, visit Foldfactory.com. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.